Is your car telling you to replace your key battery soon? Did you wait too long and your key battery already died?
Stick around and we'll show you how to start it with a weak or dead battery.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to start your car if your battery and your key fob is dead. So as you can see, I'm pushing these buttons and nothing is happening. So mine is already unlocked, but you have a real key there, and how you can, if you hit this button here on your key fob, I don't know if you can see that. You push this down, the key will come out, and then you can use this key to lock or unlock the car. Now once you're in the car, and put my foot on the brake and I push the button, it says the key is not detected, and it says that the battery is weak. So in order to start it, if you take the key fob and push the start button with the key fob, it will start as long as your foot is on the brake. And that is how you start your Mazda 6 if your key fob battery is dead. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If it did, please consider subscribing or giving it a like. Thanks.